Hello students, today we are going to see 11th standard business maths, first chapter, exercise 1.2, fourth question. If A is equal to 2, 3, 1 minus 6, B is equal to minus 1, 4, 1 minus 2. Verify, we have to verify this one. Adjoint AB is equal to adjoint B into adjoint A. So first you have to take LHS. What is in LHS? That is adjoint AB. So first we have to find out AB. A into B. So what is AB? AB is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 and 4 to the 8 minus 6. Second row first column. So minus 1 minus 6. Second row second column. 4 plus 4 to 6 to the 12. So what is AB? AB is equal to minus 2 plus 3, 1, 2, minus 7, here 16. So this is AB. AB is equal to 1, 2, minus 7, 16. Now we have to find out adjoint AB. How to find out adjoint AB in 2 by 2 matrix? Only interchange the, that is adjoint AB is equal to, interchange the leading diagonal, that is 16, here 1, and change the sign of the other diagonal. So minus 2 plus 7. This is adjoint AB. So this is LHS. LHS is equal to 16 minus 2, 7, 1. Now we have to find out adjoint B. What is adjoint B? Adjoint B is equal to, we have to change this leading diagonal, that is minus 2 minus 1 and change the sign minus 4 minus 1. This is adjoint B. And what is adjoint A? That is here minus 6, 2, minus 3 and minus 1. This is adjoint A. Now we have to multiply for these two, we will get the same answer. So this is the first one, means we have to multiply this two. So that is minus 2 minus 4, minus 1 minus 1, minus 6 minus 3, minus 1 minus 2. So that is equal to minus 2 into minus 6 minus plus 12, here plus 4. And minus 2 minus 3 minus 6, sorry, plus 6, minus 4 plus 2 minus 2, 4 2s are 8. So here only 2, not minus 2, plus 2 only. So minus 8. And then minus 1 minus 6, 6. And minus 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 minus 3 plus 3 and minus 1 minus 2 minus 2. So what is the answer for this one? 12 plus 4, 16, minus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 3 minus 2, 1. So this is LHS and this is RHS, both are same. So adjoint AB is equal to adjoint B into adjoint A. The next question, ninth one is, if A is equal to 3, 7, 2, 5, B is equal to 6, 8, 7, 9, verify AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse and A inverse. First we have to take the LHS. First we have to find out AB. First write the formula AB the whole inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint AB. So we want determinant value and adjoint AB. First we have to find out determinant of AB. First AB. AB is equal to, we have to multiply these two and we will get 3, 6 3s are 80 plus 49 and 8 3s are 24 plus 63 and 6 2s are 12 plus 35, 6 2s are 18, sorry 8 2s are 16 plus 9 5s of 45. So that is equal to 18 plus 49, 67, and 24 plus 63, 87, and 12 plus 35, that is 47, and 16 plus 45, that is 61. This is AB. Now determinant of AB. So that is equal to, determinant of AB is 67 into 61, that is 4087, minus 47 into 87, that is 4089. So that is equal to minus 2. So determinant of AB is equal to minus 2, that is not is equal to 0, only exists. Now we have to find out the adjoint AB. This is adjoint. This is AB. So we have to find out this for adjoint AB. So adjoint AB is equal to 61 minus 87 and minus 47 and 67. Interchange the values, leading diagonal, and change the sign. So that is adjoint AB. Now we have to find out AB, the whole inverse. So that is equal to 1 by determinant of AB and adjoint of AB. So that is equal to 1 by minus 2. This is the value for our AB, determinant of AB, into 61 minus 87 minus 47 and 67. So minus 1 by 2 into, what is the NHS? Minus 1 by 2 into 61, 87 and then 47, 67. If we multiply this one, we will get, that is minus 61 by 2, minus of minus plus, so 87 by 2, minus of minus plus, so 47 by 2, and here minus 67 by 2 is the LHS. Now we are going to find out RHS. What is in RHS? Now we found out that is LHS AB, the whole inverse, is equal to minus 61 by 2, 87 by 2, 47 by 2 and minus 67 by 2. Now what is in RHS? B inverse and A inverse. So we are going to find out determinant of A and determinant of B and adjoint B and adjoint A. So first determinant of A, that is equal to, we have to take this, that is determinant of A means 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. And what is determinant of B? 9 6 are 54 minus 56. So 54 minus 56 we will get minus 2. So 54, that is 9 6 are 54 minus 56 is equal to minus 2. And what is adjoint A? Interchanging the leading diagonal, 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. And what is adjoint B? That is equal to 9 minus 8 minus 7 and 6. Now we have to find out first B inverse. B inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of B into adjoint B. So that is equal to, what is the determinant of B? 1 by minus 2 into adjoint B is, you have to take this one, 9 minus 8 and minus 7 and 6. So next one, we have to multiply this 2, we will get minus 9 by 2 and minus of minus plus, so 8 by 2 is 4 and minus of minus plus 7 by 2 and 6 by 2 is minus 3. This is B inverse. Now A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A is 1 only, and what is adjoint A here? 5 minus 7 and minus 2, 3. So we multiply this and this, we will get the RHS. So now we have to find out. Now B inverse into A inverse. So what is B inverse? That is minus 9 by 2, 4, 7 by 2, minus 3 into here 5, minus 7, minus 2, 3. If we multiply these two, we will get the same answer. First, minus 9 by 2 into 5, that is minus 45 by 2, minus 45 by 2, minus 8. And the next one, minus of minus plus, 9 7s are 63 by 2, plus 4 3s are 12. And next one, 7 by 2 into 5, that is 7 5s are 35, divided by 2, minus of minus plus 6. And 7 by minus 49 by 2, minus 3 3s are 9. Now, so minus 45 by 2 minus 8. 2 is the LCM. So minus 45, here minus 16. So minus 45 minus 16. Minus 45 minus 16, we will have to add, that is 1, 6. So minus 61 by 2. And then here 2 is the LCM. So 12 2s are 24. So 24 plus 63. 24 plus 63 we will get 87. So 87 divided by 2. And then here 2 is the LCM. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 35. So 12 plus 35, 47 by 2. 47 by 2. Here 2 is the LCM. So 18. So minus 49 plus minus 18. Minus 49 minus 18. We will get 67. So minus 67 by 2. This is RHS. So what is LHS? Minus 61 by 2, 87 by 2, 47 by 2, minus 67 by 2. So both are equal. Hence proved. Thank you students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.